Are you looking to secure your Mobile Legends Bank account and ensure it's disconnected from unauthorized access? In this video, I will show you how to safely disconnect your MLBB account from all devices. So, let's begin. To disconnect your MLBB account from the other device, first open the Mobile Legends app, tap on the profile icon, tap on the account tab. Now tap Account Center. Under the Account Security, tap Disconnect All Devices. Wait a bit, then tap Confirm. Now your account has been disconnected from all other devices. This is the way you can disconnect your Mobile Legends Bank from all devices. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.